Yesterday gold moved as it was described in the early morning analysis from the yesterday, where the price has reached again a support level 3357.05, making another bearish candle. We can see that here. Yesterday the price has returned slightly back up just to retest the previous support, acting now as a resistance here, and then drop it down to the first support level, to the daily 3357. First of all, yesterday I mentioned that I'm expecting that the price will reach an area around 336 level here, 3366, and the price has reached that level. We can see that, and the daily candle has closed around that level. But the price has continued to lose its value and reached the first support, and reached the daily support level, which was expected. On the 4-hour time frame since yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved. The price has continued to lose its value. The yesterday analysis was around here when the price has made this indecision candle. I was expecting that the price will reach 3379 as support level on the 4-hour time frame, and the price has reached that. And after that, the price continued to lose its value, reaching in the next 4-hour time frame session, and also the second one, the price has reached at the daily support level. From there we can see the price is bouncing, retraces back up to the 4-hour time frame resistance, a supply zone here, and then continue to lose its value. Now it's continuing to lose its value, and it is again going to the 3357.05 at daily support level. On the 1-hour time frame from the yesterday, we can see how the price has behaved. First of all, the price had problem here going below 3385.31. This is a 1-hour support level, and then the price formed this bearish breakout, indicating further decline, and the price has dropped down. To the 4-hour time frame, we can see but the price has bounced, having a little bit problem going below this area of support, but then eventually continue to lose its value. The price is below this area of support 3379, and then continue to lose its value all the way to this area, which is 3365. I have mentioned yesterday. If you have not watched, please check that. You will see that this area of support level, which is a 1-hour time frame support level, it is also visible as a daily support level. After that, the price continued to lose its value, reaching a daily support level, and then from here bouncing strongly. We can see that a strong bullish candle, which is a retrace. That means the bears who have pushed the price all the way to this area of support, they have exited trades here, which has eventually activated a buying session, and also the buyers have entered into the market. So this is a retrace that has pushed the price up, but we can see not so strongly. The price immediately stopped at the 1-hour time frame 3371, coming very close to the area here, or the 4-hour time frame resistance level 3379, and then drop it down. For several hours, the price could not manage to return back above this area of resistance. We can see that, but it has continued to lose its value. Now we can see at the 1-hour time frame we have a bearish breakout going below 3365.01. It is visible here, and the price is dropping now towards the daily support level 3357.05. So this is the target for the day. The price will reach this area of support, and from there we will see how the price will behave. Will there be another retrace, a strong one from the buyers here? This is something that we will need to watch closely. But I am not expecting that the price will bounce strongly, because this is the bounce that has happened currently at the support level, and the bounce did not be so strong. This retrace did not even reach 3379.03, a 4-hour time frame resistance level. Now, if there is any bearish or bullish breakout happening on the market, I will share that with the traders inside the premium analysis, and I will also share this one which is currently happening on the market. So feel free to check the link below in the description to join the premium group where the traders receive these updates. I will send the entry level, what is the stop loss, and also what is the take profit. So feel free to check that. The link will be below in the description. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the daily support level 3357 is also the next target that we can expect, and on the daily time frame, this is something that also I am expecting that the price will reach. Now it's Friday, so everything can happen. The price could go even further down, or the price could bounce from this area of support, returning to the higher price levels. What will happen? Oh, well, we'll see. It's Friday, so it's a little bit hard to predict precisely where the price could go, because the price also, the sellers who have entered into the market 2 days ago, they could also get out from their trades, which could also trigger a buying session, which means a buying momentum that could push the price to the higher price levels as a retrace, and also as a bounce from this area of support. Will it be a bounce slightly and then returning back down, or it will retrace all the way to the next resistance level? This is something that we need to watch closely, but it's Friday, so stay tuned and also protect your account before the weekend starts, because over the weekend we could also expect some kind of a gap, which the gap can be against you or in your favor. Which can that be? That is something that is also not very good to predict. It's not easy to predict and also not very good to choose, because the risk management is very important in trading. So protect your account and stay safe. It's better to start the new week with a completely account without the loss at the end of the week. So it's better to stay calm over the weekend. That's all for this week and also for this day. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.